Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be looking at dictionaries. In the last video we concluded our section on tuples. Okay, the video before that we looked at lists. I'll advise you guys to go to those videos if you've not. Okay, so in this video we are going to be looking at dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? Now, dictionaries are key value pairs. They have a key, they have a value. Okay, all other containers we've looked at, you can still say they are key value pairs because their keys can be seen as the index, could be referred to as the keys, and then the values becomes the values themselves. Okay, so the same thing here, just that unlike those ones where the index are meant to be 0, 1, 2 and the rest of that, when it comes to dictionary, the keys can take any data type, not just any data type, any data type that is immutable can be a key. So it mustn't be 0, 1, 2 which are numbers. It can even be something a floating number. A floating number can also be a key in dictionaries. Okay, so let's just look at examples, a couple of examples when we talk about dictionaries. So this is how it looks like. For you to create a dictionary, let's call it test case. So I want to create a dictionary. I can give it the key. So let's say the key is 1. And what is 1? 1 is just some gibberish. Let's say 1 is A. We're going to use some trivial cases to explain this. Okay. And then I have 2. And it's okay, whenever there is 2, assume 2 to have a value of Z. Then I have something else. This time around I want to use a string. I want to have name. Name can be Smith. And next I want to have a tuple. So let's say this is 2, 4, and whatever that is, it's going to map to, let's say that's what you call coordinates for some reason. So I'm just trying to show you guys that when you have a dictionary, the key, this is what you call the key. This is what you call the value. The key, a column, then you have the value. So there must be a column before you have the value. Okay, a key, column, value, a key, column, value, a key, column, value. So the values can be any data type, but the keys must be immutable data type. So possible values you have for the keys, they are integers, floats. String is also an immutable data type, so it can be a key. What else can we have apart from string? We can also have a tuple because it's also immutable. But when it comes to something like a list cannot be used as the key. Rather, the list can be used as a value. So I can have something like hobbies, and I can say hobbies is swimming, and then okay, let me break this down for, okay, so I have hobbies to be swimming, and then I have dancing, and then I have let's say studying. These are the hobbies. So now if I check what test is, you can see I have the first. So if for me to index the items, I can just say test of 1, and then it's going to give me the value to be A. If I say test of 2, it will give me the value to be Z. If I say test of what else do we have there? We have test of hobbies. So if I say test of hobbies, it will give me this as we have it here. So I can decide to extract the last item from test of hobbies. If you've gone through other tutorials, other of the videos I have in this model, you understand the negative index. So if I look for a negative index, so that's going to give me minus. That's going to give me studying because that's the last item you have in hobbies. Okay, so I can also go ahead to index, and what do we have there? Yes, I can use this as my key to index. So if I want to use that as a key, so I'll say give me tests of that, and it's going to extract coordinate for me. Okay, so you can see I have key value pairs. That's the possibility. So you can even decide to change the items you have there. I can say, okay, I want name not to be Smith, but I want the name to be George. So I can say test of name. So instead of it being Smith, I can say, okay, I want it to be George. So if you check what test is now, you see that the name is no longer Smith, it is now George. So that's how you can create a dictionary and how you can add items to it, how you can index a dictionary. But how do you create new items from a dictionary? For you to create new items from a dictionary, you assume that the item is already there, you treat it as though it's already there. Okay, so I may say I want to include something like my nationality. So if I want to include my nationality, I'm a Nigerian, and that's automatically going to include that for me. If I check, you can see nationality is Nigerian, it's already there. So that's how you add new items. You treat them as though they are already in existence, and automatically it's going to generate those items for you. Okay, so that's it, guys, on how you can create a dictionary, how you can index a dictionary, and how you can add new items to a dictionary. Okay, so in the next video we are going to look at how can we extract just the keys, just the values, or how can we extract the keys and the values from a dictionary. Okay, so that's what we are going to be looking at from the next video. That's it, guys, for this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, don't forget to share these videos among your friends. If they are helping in any way, subscribe to the channel, please, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.